What is going on, you guys? Alex here with Sportline, bringing you another Tesla video. Today we're going to be working on our Tesla Model 3 and we're going to be installing one of our Sportline film screen protectors on the interior screen. Now these come in a clear and a matte. The clear is going to appear just like factory. The matte is going to have some anti-glare properties when viewed from the side. So we're going to go ahead, hop in the car and walk you through the install. So first thing we're going to need to do once inside is go to the controls. We're going to go to display and put it in screen clean mode. So inside the screen protector package, you're going to find the installation and cleaning kit. We're going to go ahead and open this up. And we're going to go ahead and grab the wet wipe. And we'll start by just cleaning the screen, getting off any fingerprints and dust. Now we can take the included microfiber cloth and just go ahead and go over this once more. Make sure it's dry and make sure there's no dust or lint anywhere on the screen. Now you're going to notice a 1 and a 2 on either side of the screen protector. We're going to start with the number 1 and go ahead and peel this off. Now we're going to take our included guide stickers and I'm going to take a couple of these and I'm going to stick it to the side with the number 2. So we're going to flip it over and stick it on the opposite side. So I like to leave a tail end like that, and we can use these to hold the screen protector. That way we don't have to put our fingers on the back side of it as we're trying to apply it to the screen. So now all we've got to do is grab it and start lining it up. You want to make sure the 2 is facing upright. That will make sure the screen protector is oriented correctly. And now we can just line up a corner. Now you can use a credit card or even the key to your Tesla to help you get out some of these bubbles. So now that we've got that looking good, we can just grab our number 2 sticker and peel this off. Exit screen cleaning mode. And we're done. So that does it for our matte screen protector installed today on this Tesla Model 3. If you have any questions about what we did today, make sure to leave a comment down below. We'd be happy to help. If you want to check this out for yourself, you can do that at tsportline.com. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We've got lots more Tesla content coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.